Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we're going to talk about the Affinex company, guys. But before that, let me remind you, this is not a financial advice. This is for review and entertainment purposes only. So because crypto has a risk, guys, so always do your own research before doing anything else. So without further ado, let's get into it. Alright guys, so please subscribe to my channel. So without further ado, let's get into it. Alright guys, so this is the Affinex. It's a company specialized in development of artificial intelligence or AI to operate in the forex market, guys. So the largest financial market in the world with a daily trading volume of over $6.6 trillion, guys. Okay, so the AI operates directly inside the client's broker account without the user needing to understand charts, indicators, or technical analysis, guys. Also guys, you will see at the footer, so Affinex Limited Company incorporated in Hong Kong, guys. Okay, and it will have an expansion in Europe. Okay, it's processing right now Europe and Asia. And also guys, the AI Affinex does not provide copy trading or account mirroring services. You will see here the difference about the copy trading and the AI Affinex AI trader, guys. Collective risks and then individual and isolated risks. Each account operates independently, full user control, autonomous AI on its own, exclusive AI instant per account, customized strategy, configurable stop loss per account, direct execution without intermediaries, order process directly to the account, personal metrics that are trackable and auditable, guys. Automated and predictable logic. AI eliminates emotional and decisions. Multiple fault tolerance BPS servers. Real-time multi-channel support and strategies with safety margins. So each trading account has its own dedicated AI. Instant operating according to the selected strategy directly inside MT5. So the client maintains full control over their funds at the broker. The capital remains 100% at the broker at all times. So right now, I will show you how to create an account on RoboForex. Okay guys, so step 1, go to this website or click the link on my description down below. So guys, I will explain you why AI Affinex needs the Forex broker, guys. It needs to operate inside the Forex broker, and RoboForex was chosen because it has been operating since 2009. It is internationally regulated and it's present in more than 170 countries, guys. Okay, that's why they choose this RoboForex. Okay, here, fill up your desired email. Okay, first name, last name, and your mobile phone, guys, and include this partner's agent ID, guys. Okay, and then register now. So after signing up, guys, at your profile, it's mandatory that you need the verification of your ID and address, or in short, KYC, guys. Okay, you need to verify your identification. So like me, email verification verified, ID password verification, and address verification, guys. And then next step, or the second step, is the members area, guys. Okay, so register your desired name here, username, email, cell phone number, and also the password, guys. And don't forget the referral code right here, and just register. Okay, check your email and activate your account, guys. Okay, please use this code below to verify your email, or simply click the link below to verify instantly. So just click the link below, guys. So as easy as that, we verified our Affinex account, guys, or members area. Okay guys, so for the AI to work, next points are required. Okay, so this is the next point, guys. They are like the AI's fuel. Every time the AI generates profits, 20% of the profit is deducted in next points. So if there's no profit, nothing is deducted. In other words, AI Affinex only earns if you earn, guys. If you don't earn, AI Affinex don't earn either, guys. Okay, simple as that. So let me show you how to deposit here at the AI Affinex. So you will see the deposit right here, guys. Okay, we just need to copy this one or scan the QR code. So send only USDT to this deposit address. Ensure the network is BSC Smart Chain BEP20. Minimum deposit is 1 USDT, guys. So let's copy this or scan to our mobile phone, guys. Okay, let me show you how. Okay, on your wallet, let's try to withdraw. Okay, on-chain withdrawal. Select USDT and then BEP20. Let's scan this one, guys. Okay. So let's scan this one. Withdrawal network must be BEP20, guys, and 21 USD. Okay? Because if you withdraw 20 only, guys, you will only receive 19.85. So it must be 20, guys. Okay? So let's withdraw it. Okay, guys, our withdrawal has been successful. So let's go wait here at the application. Okay, guys, so we received the 20 USDT, guys. So let's buy next point, guys. Okay? So next point, 20 USDT. You will also get 20 next points. Okay? So select this one and confirm, guys. So congratulations, you bought 20 next points. Wow. Okay. So let's clarify, guys, that I have received 5 free next point just to test the AI for 5 days, guys. Okay? When you register, you will receive 5 free 5 next points, guys. Okay? Guys, also here you will see on your profile and then manual user guide. You will have a complete guide here at RoboForex and a Black Bull, guys. Okay? For example, the RoboForex here is the full guide, guys, in PDF file. Okay, right here. User manual, complete guide, RoboForex broker. Okay, guys. So you will not be having an error. Just follow this instruction, guys, carefully on how to start on RoboForex. So for this video, guys, we're going to try this Titan strategy, guys. The minimum capital is 300 USD, guys. Trading capital up to 400, 500, 600. You will have stop and loss minimum, estimated daily profit here, guys, and also estimated daily profit, guys, up to 0.36% and 0.72%, guys. Also, you will have the MT5 ECN accounts here. The minimum capital is a bit higher, 30k, guys. Okay, same as the minimum capital at the MT5% accounts, guys. Okay? Okay, so the next step is here at the RoboForex, guys. Go to account and then real account, guys. Okay? So MetaTrader 4, MT4 USD 1 to 1000, and then create a password, guys. Okay? Okay, and then partners agent, don't forget this one. Okay, so let's open the trading account. Okay, guys. So select M3 Trader 5, MT5%, and then USD 1 to 1000 or 1 to 2000, guys. And then password, guys. Okay. And don't forget the partner's agent ID, guys. Okay, and then confirm. Okay. Okay, guys. So we have the account right now, guys. Okay, so this is the account of MT5% USD. Okay. Okay, guys, here at the Bitget wallet, so USDT. Okay, let's scan this one. Okay, let's scan this again. Okay, and then let's choose a BEP20 again on the network, guys. Minimum withdrawal, so let's have the 305, guys. Okay, and then let's withdraw it. Okay, and then confirm. Okay, guys, our withdrawal has been successful. Let's go wait till this application accept our withdrawal, guys. Okay. Okay, so let's go back to merchant, guys. Okay, so I think the withdrawal has been successfully, guys. So your payments being processed, we will send you an email as soon as your money is transferred. Also, the new account balance will be displayed on the trading account page. Okay, so this is the trading account page, guys. Okay, so right now we received the 304.48 USD at the trading accounts, guys. Okay, instantly after the withdrawal has been successful, guys. Okay, so let's try to link this on AI Finex, guys. So let's copy this trading account, guys, and let's go here at the AI Finex. Add account, RoboForex, Titan, MD5%, leverage, and then 300, stop loss, account nickname, so first trade, and then trading account, and your password, guys, and then connect AI Trader. Okay, so I understand and accept and continue, guys. So checking the system. So right now, you see your leverage here and also the balance of your trading account. So right now, it's operating, guys. Okay? You see that it's operating right now. Guys, the AI operates from Monday to Friday, 24 hours a day. On weekends and international holidays, the Forex market is closed, guys. Okay? Okay, guys, so I downloaded the application of AI Finex. Okay, you will see your account here. When you click on it, you will see the history, earning summary. Right here, guys, status history, guys. Today, yesterday, and this week is available. So we just started. That's why it's only activating and the operating history is out, guys. Okay. Operation, you will see your today's, last 7 days, and last 30 days. Average earnings, guys. Operation, profits, and next point fee. Okay. So we don't earn anything, so that's why there's no fee yet. Okay? If we earn, there's a next point fee, guys. Okay? Okay, guys, and also they have the affiliation. Okay, right here. So from level 0 to level 8, okay, direct referral, guys. So referral here, you can copy and send it to your friends, guys, or click the link on my description down below. And also, guys, this AI Finex has a security and controls. The AI cannot withdraw or transfer your money. It only execute trades. Okay? So the AI operates exclusively on the XAU or USD asset, gold, which is the most valuable right now and one of the most liquid assets in the world. So it is possible to pause or delete the trading account at any time you like, guys. The capital remains 100% secure at the broker, guys. Okay? So I think that's all about this FNX. If you learn more about this tutorial, guys, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel, guys. So this is Crypto saying bye-bye.